Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to be doing makeup for the beach. Let me know if you wear makeup to the beach or not. I definitely don't, but someone requested this, so I'm gonna give it to you. Sorry, this has nothing to do with the video, but I need you to do me a little favor. Tell me if you notice a difference with the mic or not. If you want to see the difference, this one I'm gonna be recording with the mic, and my previous video that I uploaded is done without the mic. If you could please go watch a little bit of the other one just to compare and let me know if it sounds better with mic or not. You don't even have to watch the entire video if you don't want to. Like, I just need this insight for me to know what actually sounds better. Just that. So if someone could do that for me, I would really appreciate it. Anyways, let's continue. I feel like the makeup for the beach has to be quite long lasting, but also very minimal, because I mean, you're probably gonna be sweating, swimming, all that, so you don't want like a full face of makeup anyways. I thought we could use a bunch of stains, if that makes sense, like lip stains, lip liner stains, freckle stains, like you'll see, I'll show you. Like, we should start with SPF, like that's a non-negotiable, whether you wear makeup or not, so let's do that. I'm going to be using this Alpha Beauty, Alpha Cosmetics, I'm not sure, Serum SPF. I'm actually really enjoying this one. It feels really nice on the skin, super moisturizing, and it sits so well under makeup, like super well. I'm not afraid of this peeling underneath or anything like that, so I feel like that's amazing. It does smell a little bit like SPF, which if I'm going to the beach, I don't care. For the everyday, I prefer something that doesn't smell like sunscreen. But the fact that it never peels under makeup and it wears so nicely kind of compensate that. So my reason to not wear makeup to the beach is maybe it's a little bit TMI, but honestly, I don't think so. I'm a sweaty girl, okay? I sweat so much that it wouldn't make sense for me. I'm gonna be in and out the water basically the whole day. And also my friends and I, when we go to the beach, we don't do it lightly. Like, we do beach the hardcore way. I don't know how to explain that. Like, if we're on holiday, we'll probably take one umbrella for all of us and we'll just like rotate. Someone wants it. Mind you, we're like 8 or 9 usually. We'll spend the entire day in the beach. Like, when I tell you the entire day, like maybe from 1 p.m. till like 6, 7, 8, like depending on what plan we have later. We'll spend all that time in the beach. So I'm not gonna wear makeup, like I'm gonna be disgusting at the end of the day, you know, like I don't care, I just go to the beach. That doesn't apply to these, so ignore all that. We're doing beach makeup. I want to have my brows stuck to my face, okay? For that, I normally use my DJB Beauty brow gel. That one I like more for when I'm gonna do like my skinny brows. I feel like that works so well for that. But for the beach, I probably wouldn't do my usual skinny brow routine. I would just like throw some brow gel just to hold them in place as they are. For that, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal brow lamination, and this one is pretty strong. Like, it is really good. Don't get me wrong, the other one is so good as well. Just gonna brush them up and just like leave them quite natural, to be honest, just to hold them in place. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing drops because, you know, like we need a bronzy effect for the beach. And I'm gonna like blend it a little bit down and up. I'm gonna focus that mainly on the outer perimeter of my face because this stuff is quite glowy and I don't want to put it all over my face, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna focus it like on the outer perimeter of my face. This way we also are kind of sculpting the face like in a very easy way. And then before doing anything else, I want to try something, and that's gonna be doing my blush with a lip stain. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I think it's like a good idea to maintain, to keep the blush for longer. I don't know. I actually don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This might be an actual fail, but if not, I'm gonna use this Wonder Skin lip mask. You know, the ones that like peel off. Blend this as much as possible. Yeah, don't know. I'm using my favorite shade. It's called Lovely. It's a really pretty like brownish, nude brown, rosy brown, I don't know. My fingers are definitely stained, so we'll see. In the meantime, I'm gonna be curling my lashes. I personally wouldn't wear mascara, but I would just like curl them and just call it a day. But if you want to, you can definitely use like a waterproof mascara to make sure that it doesn't transfer. I would definitely recommend for that like this one from Shiglam, absolutely amazing, and also one from Clio Cosmetics. Both of these options have like a mascara remover, so you have to remove these with that mascara remover, otherwise they won't move. So I feel like they will be perfect for like the beach makeup. I feel like I'm gonna remove it now, but also with what I'm gonna remove, I didn't think this through, to be honest. I'm gonna grab like a little toner or something, and yeah, no, this didn't do anything. I fear this didn't do a thing. Maybe a little bit, but we should have done this like first thing. I feel like it actually left a little bit of stain. I don't know if you can even tell. Like if we did this even before the SPF, it would have worked a lot better. I still don't think it's a bad idea. Let me reapply some of these bronzing drops. I don't think it looks that bad. I actually feel like it's stained lightly, a little bit. But I think I should be doing this with a lip stain that it doesn't peel off. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it with these ColourPop lip stains that are pretty good. So maybe this will actually work. But first, I'm going to apply a tiny little bit of skin tint. This one, it's super lightweight. It even has SPF 20 in it, but that just like adds up to the SPF that we just put. But I will rely on this only for the SPF. A little bit to make the skin tone a little bit more even. Basically, on the other side, I didn't put the bronzing drops. Now I'm gonna do the trick with the blush. I'm gonna blend the edges just so they integrate a little bit better. Looks like I'm so sunburned, but that's kind of the goal, isn't it? Okay, the good thing with this one is that we don't have to like remove anything, so I'm just gonna let it sit and do its thing, and then I'm just gonna blend it even more. In the meantime, we're gonna do our lips. I'm actually gonna use the Wonderskin lip tint in shade Lovely as well. I mean, that's my favorite. Why is it done? I feel like that's my second tube. And it's almost done. The lip stain is something I would actually do for the beach. That and bronzing drops. Yeah, let it dry down. Blend this even more. And I think this actually looks so much better. That is so good. I'm no one without some freckles during summer. I don't have, so I have to fake them. And I got this U-Tan pen for freckles. Like, how insane is it? This is fake tan, like fake tan freckles. This is going to actually develop. Like, how insane is that? It's literally like a pen. You twist it and it comes out, and literally I don't do fake tan, but this I would do. And it is actually good for your skin. Like, it has amazing ingredients, no comedogenic ingredients. So I'm super happy. I love this. And I said, this is going to develop in like 24 to 48 hours, I think. Don't be afraid. Like, I know I'm doing them quite like heavily. Once they're developed, they don't look as harsh. Like, they're more like natural. So also you can literally put freckles everywhere. you know? Like, imagine if they were natural, like they wouldn't just be here, they would be kind of everywhere. So what I'm trying to recreate. I'm in love with this product. I'm gonna hide all my blemishes with it, like all of them. Ooh! People with freckles, naturally, you're so blessed. Like, I love them. I envy you. Let's remove this lip stain. I should be using micellar water, but I'm lazy because I have it in the bathroom, so I'm gonna use a toner. Hope it works. This is so pretty. And to continue with these staining products or whatever, I have this long-lasting lip marker from Kiko. It is a lip liner stain. How cool is that? And I actually love this shade. It goes pretty well with this Wonder Skin mask, and I can use this just to like define my lips a little bit. I can even go over it and have like a double lip stain. I know you can't see them much because they are quite similar, like the shades are quite similar. I love this. Let's apply some powder because we don't want to be oily everywhere. I'm just gonna apply the tiniest amount on like the center of my face, so these areas that I don't want them to be so shiny. Just with regular powder, I'm gonna use my YSL. No, I didn't apply concealer or anything like that because I honestly just want the tiniest amount of product. Concealer is just going to like crease and like not look good at the end of the day, so I rather just skip it. I low-key like the look of no concealer, like the under eye bags, like the under eyes peeking through. I kind of love that. We'll do setting spray in a second, so it should be fine. You know the deal. These are my favorites. Even this one I tried on my last video and I'm actually very surprised. This one's more for like oily skin girlies. It's meant to control the oils, so I don't know if that will work well with like sweat. Maybe it will. I'm gonna do this one today. I feel like it's pretty strong. For the beach makeup, yeah. It is a little bit of hairspray, but it is really good. And something I've been missing like my whole life, and you probably too, is a freaking lip product with SPF. Girl, we've been taking care of our face, of our body, but never our lips. And actually I've been like, every time I go on holiday, I burn my lips. They're kind of like more sensitive. They actually look pretty cute because they have like some color to it all the time. But that's not good. Okay, that's not good. We also have to protect our lips. Yeah. I have this lip oil from Naked Sundays with SPF. Can you focus? Yeah. With SPF 50, and this lip balm from Bondi Sands with SPF 50 as well. Choose your fighter, but choose one, please. This one's like quite thick. Feels really good, and smells really good. It smells like candy. This one's juicy watermelon, but they have other flavors as well. We need this. We need this. Super important. I'm not gonna stop using this now. I'm gonna try this one as well. So like, I feel like I tried this, but I forgot. Oh, this one smells like coconut. Oh, look. Oh, hello. The glossiness is kind of crazy. The lip stain and this, like, I'm absolutely loving this. I actually might do this makeup for the beach next time. Like, yeah, that's how much I'm loving it. And last step, probably the most important one, spray SPF. If you want to touch up your SPF and you want to apply like a normal SPF on top, because obviously spray SPF is what you need to use, and this one's literally perfect. This one's from Bondi Sands, SPF 50. You have to reapply your sunscreen, please. Like, okay. that was easy. Now I'm super glowy again. You probably need to do more, but I don't want to do it inside a room now. With that actually looks perfect. Who thought I was actually gonna like this? Not me, but I actually do. I think this is a pretty good beach makeup that you can actually do. It is gonna last because, like, obviously it's mostly stains and just a tiny little bit of product. And if I don't have to touch my face while reapplying makeup, like, it's just gonna last a lot longer. Yay! Like, this was a more casual kind of video, but I hope you enjoyed and learned something. I hope that you got some like tricks and tips for your next beach trip this summer. Everything that I use will be linked down in the description below, as always, so don't forget to check that out. Oh, I forgot to mention, but if you actually want a very long-lasting makeup, maybe for the beach or for other occasions, I actually have a video on that is really good, so I would check that out if you want a super long-lasting makeup, like a super long-lasting one. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it, because that actually helps me so much. And if you want to subscribe, $3.99. So thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!